TWIN BUSCH, Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. The TWW13L tool trolley impresses with 13 ball-bearing mounted drawers that can be pulled out 100%, and thanks to the individual drawer extension system, provide effective anti-tip protection. The perforated tool panel is optional at the time of purchase. A central locking system with 2 keys reliably protects the contents. 4 large, sturdy casters with swivel and roll stop functions ensure mobility and a secure, stable position. The powder-coated finish protects against scratches and corrosion, while the side edge protection provides additional safety when moving the trolley. Mounting options on both the left and right sides offer space for optionally available accessories. On the top, there is a recessed storage surface with 3 additional compartments, as well as a rubberized handle for comfortable handling. With dimensions of 127 centimeters in width, 46 centimeters in depth, and 98 centimeters in height, the TWW13L offers ample storage space in a compact design. The drawers vary in size, from 102 by 40 by 7.5 centimeters at the top to 56.5 by 40 centimeters on the left side and 37.5 by 40 centimeters on the right side. Its shipping weight of approximately 111 kilograms underlines its robust and durable construction. The TWW13L tool trolley is available as model TWW13G-4 with 4 filled drawers, or as model TWW13G-5 with 5 fully filled drawers. The tools are optional and, depending on the version, are included in the scope of delivery. Visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. TWIN BUSCH, Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.